It may have been a while since you've seen matrix multiplication, but that's what's going on here. We need to multiply this matrix by this matrix and figure out what the result is. So I want to just review matrix multiplication quick. If you're good on this part, skip ahead a minute or so. But you see here, what I'm doing is I'm taking this green row of AB and multiplying it, the purple row times the purple column of EG, and I get this, EG plus BG, or AE plus BG. Okay, so this is forming a matrix, and that is the first top left entry. Then the next thing I do is I come along into this blue section, and I do the row AB in blue, right here, times the column FH in blue, and I get this product right here, AF plus BH. Just so you can see this going through again, I'm going to take now the red row, CD, and multiply it by the purple column, EG. So I get CE plus DG. And we'll try it one more time so you see the pattern. I'm going to take this green row, CD, times the blue column, FH. And we get CF and DH. All right, so that's the way this works. And each of these polynomials right here are going to just be a single number. So you're going to get a 2 by 2 matrix after you multiply these 2 by 2 matrices over here. Okay. Now, what we're dealing with is something a little simpler, and I'll go through this faster now. I'm taking this row, and I'm multiplying it by this column. So what I get is 3 times 1 plus -5 times 1. Okay, that's going to be the first entry in this matrix that I'm making, this product of the two matrices. And now let's take the next example. I'm going to take this row again in blue times this column in blue. So I get 3 times 0, that's easy, plus -5 times -1. Okay, well, let's see what we get here. Remember, this is going to be a matrix, matrix like this. And let's calculate what these are. So 3 times 1 is 3. -5 times 1 is -5. Okay, that's my left number. The right number is going to be 0 plus 5. Okay, now the reason I got a little confused there for a moment was just because I wanted to double check and make sure I was doing this right. There are a lot of numbers here. So what we've got now is -2 on the left and 5 on the right, and you see what's left is a 1 by 2 matrix. And if you remember another rule about matrix multiplication, that makes sense because on the left I've got 1 by 2, that's the size of this guy. Okay, on the right I've got a 2 by 2. And the shorthand way of just making sure you did your multiplication right is these terms right here are going to cancel out, and what's left is just a 1 by 2 if you look at the left and the right numbers. So yes, this works. I have a 1 by 2 matrix left over, and you see this is my answer right here.